lifestyle. Driving low, driving in style and stance. Stand out, wagons all around. We show how, ooh, Jtone in the Benz. Wagon showing out, standing up for wagons everywhere. Ooh yeah, here we come together. Wagon lifestyle, ooh, Final Touch Productions. Wagon Nation, we are driving. Wagon lifestyle, Wagon Nation, we are driving. Different. Final Touch Productions, ooh yeah. Wagon lifestyle, Wagon Nation, we are driving. Different.
How's everybody doing? Welcome back to Wagon Lifestyle. So we're back at the garage finally again. Day 2 of after getting it fixed. So today my goal is to put the suspension on the wagon, the coilovers, get it nice and slammed. Well, right now I don't want to go too low because winter's coming. So maybe take the wheel gap out. We'll do that. We got to test fit all 4 wheels today to see how it looks if we get that far. It's kind of late, but I'm gonna see how far I can go today. If not, I'll come in tomorrow and finish it up. We'll definitely get some nice videos with the rims on. Once I have the rims on, I have to take the rims back out because I need to switch the tires, because unfortunately 2 of these tires are in the thread, so they're trash. So what we're gonna do is we gotta give you a nice cold start of the Fiat. We're gonna get it out of here, and then we gotta get the Mercedes in. Let's get to work. It's finally time. Let's get this wagon looking good. I'm excited for all these stuff that's happening. So you guys are ready. I'm ready. Let's do it. A nice cold start for you. Stop right there. So imagine when I put the whole system on it, the full cat bag, downpipe, that's gonna sound even better. I got the coilovers, so once I get the wagon done, I'm gonna do the Fiat. But the Fiat, I'm really gonna slam it. Like I want no gap. No gap. I got parts that I have for it that I'm gonna put on slowly, and I'll take you guys with me for that. But for now, it gets dark early, so I gotta start busting ass right now. So right now, I'm gonna move this, get the wagon in here. Well, before I get the wagon, I gotta move some stuff and clean up because I need space. The wagon is big and I need all the space I can so I can work. So, all right, let's get to it. Fiat warming up over there. I had to go to the store buy some tools because the Mercedes, you gotta use special sockets. I don't know if y'all can see it. The Mercedes, you gotta use these sockets, so I had to buy a whole bunch of sockets. So so I can be able to use. And then I also got drilled and slided rotors coming. So I got this, so I can take out the little screw that holds the rotor down. Might as well get it ahead of time before the rotors come in. That's another one we're gonna be doing soon. I got a mess of tools, I gotta fix that. Make sure I keep my receipt because you never know. All right. And this. I think we should be fine. This space. All right, bring the wagon in. As you can tell, the fan is mad loud. Still haven't fixed it. So I figured, I know that's gonna run me some bucks. I know if I bring it to Mercedes, they're gonna tax me. Because I want it done right. You know, I want to get it fixed right. So I decided to do what I have to do. Coilovers, put everything on. It's been driving good. Once I have everything, I just send it to Mercedes. And if they have to stay with it for a couple days, at least I know what I wanted to do to it is done. Once that gets fixed, I can just enjoy the wagon. So, but it's been working fine, even though it's been, I mean, I don't think that's gonna affect anything. The only thing I think it will do is just mess up the fan. But so far we're good. So all right. Let me shut off the Fiat and we'll get started in this. One thing I like to do, take out the coilovers tops, match them up to here, to make sure they send me the right ones. Because I've had a couple times they have send me the wrong ones. As a matter of fact, I ordered the rotors and brakes for this. They send them for me and they send me the wrong ones. They send me the ones for the AMG for the E63. And they were way too big. So, you know, companies do make mistakes too, so you always want to double check on everything. You know, before you start, because you don't want to start, do all this thing, and then next thing you know, it'll fit. Because even if the tops fit, sometimes the problem could be in the bottom. But we'll try the top. At least we'll get that out of the way. If we know we're good, and we'll see what happens from there. So let's get these coilovers. I have one right here. Fortunately, it's a little, you still got workspace, but it's a little uncomfortable, but we make it happen. You know, eventually I'll get something bigger, but for now, this is what we got, this is what we work with. So, we're gonna do it. All right, let's check the coilovers. All right, check the bad boys. Here we go. Coilovers right there. I could give it some camber. Got the dampening. So far they look good. I think we're good. But let's see. They look nice. From the looks of it, it looks like they look like they fit. So hopefully everything in the bottom goes right. Seems pretty straightforward. I don't see nothing different from the other ones. Let's go. Let's do it. All right, so let's get this wheel up. Wrong sides, wrong sides. I do have power tools, but my compressor is in my other storage. I have everything else here. I just haven't moved all my stuff from my other storage to this storage. So yeah, I guess we're gonna have to do this with no power tools. Old school way. The old school way. Be ready to lift up the car. We got a car jack in one side. Car jack on the other side. Make sure it's nice and stable, so you don't want to get in there with a wobbly car. Yeah, look at those tires, brand new. Hell yeah. Look at this. There we go. Side. Always try to remember where you put your stuff. All right, let's see what we're looking at. So now that I'm looking at it, I have a bad sway bar link. The bushing is broken. So I'm kind of glad I'm doing this right now, because the coilovers came with the adjustable links. So that's perfect. Put one thing, fix another. So just looking at it, doesn't look too bad. Just hopefully all these bolts come out the way we want them to come out, and we should be good. From what it looks, it's 2 bolts here. Sway bar link, 3 up there. It should come out. All right. So I know y'all don't want to see this process. It'll take a while for me, but it'll be quick for you. All right, here we go. This is the first one. I got my dad helping me. Got my dad helping me. So he got that on. Got the coilover. Gotta put this here. Bring the caliper up. Put it all on. We should be good. The next one should be faster. The first one, because I never did it, and we kind of struggled because we didn't have the right sockets. Because these are these type of sockets. So we made it work. So we got the new links. We got the adjustable links, which it should be right here. We got the cambers. Got the damper. It's looking right nice. So yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. That's how we do. So it's pretty low. So I could fit a finger. That's how low I went on both sides. Looks real good. So I haven't done the back. As you can tell, it's real high. So it's getting late. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So the wagon is gonna sleep here tonight. I'm gonna take the Fiat home. But the wagon looks good, Slam. Look at that. Whew. And with those rims, with the rims right there, those rims are gonna look nasty. Yep. That's the old suspension. Those rims, the wagon is gonna look real good. But yeah, so he's gotta come tomorrow, do the back. It'll take a little longer because I gotta take some plastics in the back. But let me show you. I don't know if you can see it because it's getting dark. Let me see. That's my dad's Camry right there. Let's have a look. Looks good. Both sides. Looks real good. So yeah, we'll be back tomorrow to finish the back. Just take a look at that. Well, that's where we're sleeping tonight. One more view. Rims are dirty. Don't mind, it's a work in progress. Taking the Fiat today. Leaving this here. So like that, I come early, push it forward, and then just do the back. You can see the difference now. Look at that right there. Compared to how it used to be. Look at that. What a big difference. Before. How it looks now. Yeah, that's good. That's it. And we will be back tomorrow. Man, I can't stop looking at it. It looks so good. Let's go. See y'all tomorrow.
Here we go. Here we go. Wagons all around. We're driving different. Here we come, wagon lifestyle. Driving low, driving in style and stance. Stand out. Wagons all around. We show how. Ooh, Jtone in the Benz. Like we're showing out, standing up for wagons everywhere. Ooh yeah. We come together, wagon lifestyle. Ooh, Final Touch Productions, Wagon Nation. We are driving, wagon lifestyle, Wagon Nation. We are driving, different. Final Touch Productions, ooh yeah. Wagon lifestyle, Wagon Nation.